Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.69 and $3.19 by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach $1.31 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 30 cents. Cardano presentation: the digital currency market is duplicating constantly. In any case, staying aware of this high-speed industry is definitely not a simple undertaking. Hence, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. In any case, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a constant undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive brilliant agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-audited information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital forms of money. Most of the digital money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing possible dangers. Cardano's specialized examination, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with foreseeing estimating development for Cardano and the bigger digital money market. There are a few expected significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow an unmistakable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized examination. Following are probably the most utilized specialized markers. Moving midpoints: this particular pointer is fabricated utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, dealers can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed after some time and where it is moving in view of the data within reach. Relative strength file: this is the diagram to check if you have any desire to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell likewise. For instance, a looming downturn is regularly anticipated by a cost increment in an overbought signal, while a cost drop in an oversold signal foresee a looming cost gain. Moving normal intermingling difference: moving normal union uniqueness, or MACD, alludes to looking at a 26 and 12 period outstanding moving normal. A solid pointer tells you when brokers are progressing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Cardano is as of now worth 37 cents USD. ADA has moved 1.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $190,076,403. Cardano is as of now position 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $13,228,587,172 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 56 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 52 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 45 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 93 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 75 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 82 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.31 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.20 and a low of $1.13 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.69, with a base cost of $1.50 and a typical cost of $1.58. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.95 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.88 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.06. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.33. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.44. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.25. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $2.63 and a yearly cost close above $2.82 in 2029. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.19, averaging out at $3.08. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.68 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.53. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive digital money choices. Along these lines, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a digital currency, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 37 cents with a complete market capitalization of $13,228,587,172. Is Cardano